Engineering. What is engineering? Engineers create or improve machines and objects to make our daily lives easier and to solve our problems. Engineers have created almost everything we use. Cell phones were made by engineers, as well as computers made by engineers. Anything not made in nature was probably made by an engineer. What is chemical engineering? Chemical engineering is a branch of engineering that applies both math and science to create things such as plastic, paint, medicine, and paper, all which are very important. Chemical engineers are closely related to biomedical engineers. Both work in the field of science as well as math, and both work with medicine. The typical chemical engineer makes from $70,000 a year to $110,000 a year. What is civil engineering? Civil engineering is the construction, maintenance, and design of the naturally and physically built environment. The average civil engineer makes about $80,000 per year. Civil engineers will oversee the building of highways, bridges, and railways. They figured out how to make the roads so there wouldn't be bad traffic jams. Also, if you think of some of the world's tallest skyscrapers, such as the Empire State Building in New York, those were also created by civil engineers. What is electrical engineering? Electrical engineering deals with electronics and electricity. These engineers are the ones who create roller coasters and MP3 players, and they also help create medical tests. As well as working with phones and roller coasters, electrical engineers also work on things like robots. The average electrical engineer earns about $85,000 per year. What is mechanical engineering? Mechanical engineering is the application of physics and science to help improve mechanical systems. This field requires a good understanding of math, science, and electronics as well. The average mechanical engineer makes about $80,000 per year. Mechanical engineering is a good profession for anyone who likes playing around with screws and bolts to build something new. What is biomedical engineering? Biomedical engineers study biology and medicine. They are very important in the health aspect of our lives. For example, they created the X-ray and the CAT scan to help us see what is going on inside of our bodies. Biomedical engineers also brought us artificial limbs and artificial organs. There is always room for improvement in this field as well, so new engineers are always needed. The average salary for a biomedical engineer is $60,000 per year. Inventing the automobile. An automobile was not something invented in a day. It took years and years to create, and even to this day is not perfect. Automobiles were brought around just a little bit before the 20th century. Thomas Jefferson once said, "The horseless carriage is the coming wonder. It is only a question of a short time when carriages and trucks in every large city will be run with motors." I believe mechanical engineering played a big part in the making of this invention. Mechanical engineers are really good at putting things together and working quickly with their hands. They also use math and science to figure out how to make things work, which are all big parts of making a car. One grand challenge that a biomedical engineer would probably have a big part in is the challenge to create better medicines. Better medicines are always needed. For example, we are still looking for a cure to cancer and something to quickly stop heart disease. Biomedical engineers are a big part of this challenge. Biomedical engineers had the idea of personalizing the medicine for each and every person. Though this would be very nice, I don't believe it would be possible. They also have some new types of drugs that they need to try out and see if they will work. Finally, a more precise diagnosis would be a huge help as well. Having better medicines could save many lives and hopefully do it quickly. Better medicines could also be better for you. Some medicines today, such as ibuprofen and aspirin, can be harmful to your body. Fewer side effects would also be a big advantage. Finally, if the medicine tasted good, it would be much easier to get children to take their meds every night. Honestly, it would be easier to get me to take them too. Also, some pills are way too big for children to swallow, and if the pill was smaller, but with the same power, it would make life much easier. I got my information from these websites. Thank you.